Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Memrise to boost language retention, full guide step by step clearly. To begin using Memrise effectively, create an account on the Memrise website or app. Once logged in, explore the vast array of available language courses. Choose the language you would like to learn and select a course that suits your level. After selecting a course, familiarize yourself with the layout and features of the platform. Start with the basics by reviewing the introductory lessons. As you progress, take advantage of the spaced repetition system that Memrise employs. This method helps reinforce vocabulary and ensures that information is retained over time. Engage with the learning tools by utilizing flashcards, audio, and videos provided for each word or phrase. Make it a habit to practice daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Utilize the review feature regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Challenge yourself by using the listening and typing exercises to strengthen your skills. Consider joining community-created courses for a broader range of vocabulary and topics. Make notes on new words that you find particularly challenging. Set achievable goals for each study session to keep motivation high. Participate in Memrise leaderboard and connect with other learners to build a sense of community. Take advantage of the Learn with Locals feature to hear pronunciations from native speakers. Be sure to revisit previous lessons periodically to ensure retention of older material. Monitor your progress through the app's statistics to identify areas for improvement. Experiment with different techniques, such as associating words with images or stories, to enhance memory. As you become more confident, try conversing in your target language using the vocabulary learned through Memrise. Continue challenging yourself by increasing the difficulty level of your chosen course. Remember, consistency is key to language learning success with Memrise. Stay patient and enjoy the process of discovering a new language. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.